Hey guys, it is crucial to seize the present moment and take steps to reduce your expenditures in order to enhance your financial resources. However, despite the apparent simplicity of this notion, it can be challenging to break free from detrimental spending patterns. So, what strategies can you employ to implement these changes successfully and maintain them over time? But before this video, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Now, here are 7 brilliant tips to stop overspending your money. The first one is create a budget. Initiating the process of reducing expenses can be effectively kickstarted by developing a budget that suits your individual circumstances. A budget serves as a powerful tool that not only provides insight into your financial inflows and outflows, but also helps identify instances of excessive spending. By carefully examining your budget, you can pinpoint specific areas where you tend to overspend, enabling you to follow a targeted and tailored plan. Take a close look at various categories in your budget, such as groceries, entertainment, or discretionary purchases. These are often the areas where individuals tend to allocate more funds than necessary. By focusing your efforts on these areas, you can make significant strides in cutting back on spending. The second one is identify where you tend to overspend. Identifying the instances when you tend to overspend is essential in order to develop effective strategies to resist and overcome these situations. By paying close attention to your triggers, you can proactively prepare yourself to exert additional effort in resisting the urge to overspend. Consider the scenarios in which you find yourself consistently exceeding your intended budget. For example, you may observe a pattern of splurging on expensive dinners after long and exhausting workdays. Recognizing this tendency can empower you to devise alternative strategies such as meal prepping in advance or exploring affordable dining options to avoid succumbing to impulsive and costly choices. The third one is analyze your credit card statements to gain a deeper understanding of the behaviors and patterns that contribute to your tendency to overspend. It is advisable to thoroughly examine your credit card statements. By conducting a detailed analysis, you can uncover valuable insights about your spending habits and identify specific areas for improvement. Start by analyzing your credit card statements for any recurring patterns. Are there particular days of the week when you consistently make more frequent and impulsive purchases? If so, exercise extra caution on those days and make a conscious effort to rein in your spending. By being aware of these tendencies, you can practically adopt strategies to curb excessive expenditures during these periods. Furthermore, identify specific stores or retailers where you tend to splurge and overspend. Are there certain establishments that tempt you with irresistible offers or products that are not essential to your needs? Take note of these places and make a deliberate effort to avoid them whenever possible. Another one is stop using your credit cards. If you continue to face challenges with managing your credit card usage, it may be worth considering the option of stopping using them altogether. Embracing a cardless approach and relying on cash transactions could prove beneficial in curbing your tendency to overspend. By using physical currency, you are limited to spending only the amount you have on hand at any given moment. This tangible constraint can serve as a powerful deterrent against impulsive purchases and encourage a more mindful approach to your expenses. By eliminating the convenience and ease of credit cards, you are prompted to engage in a more conscious evaluation of your spending decisions. The physical act of counting out cash and witnessing the direct impact on your available funds provides a tangible reminder of the value of each dollar. This heightened awareness can help you develop a stronger sense of financial discipline and make deliberate choices aligned with your priorities and financial goals. Another one is pay essential bills first. To establish a responsible financial routine, it is important to prioritize essential expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, immediately after receiving your paycheck. By addressing these crucial obligations first, you create a clear picture of the available funds remaining for discretionary spending. By ensuring that essential bills are promptly settled, you gain the realistic understanding of the disposable income at your disposal. This practice helps prevent impulsive and careless spending, as you become more conscious of the financial limitations within which you need to operate. It encourages a more thoughtful approach to your expenditures, making you less likely to squander money on non-essential items or indulge in unnecessary purchases. Another one is do not buy branded products. When shopping at popular retailers like Costco, Target, or Walmart, a valuable tip to save money and curb unnecessary spending is to opt for store brand products instead of their name brand counterparts. Many consumers tend to associate name brand items with superior quality, but in reality, store brand products often offer comparable quality at a significantly lower price point. Retailers invest in developing their own store brands, ensuring that they meet or even exceed the standards set by well-known brands. By choosing these alternatives, you can enjoy similar functionality, taste, or performance while enjoying substantial savings. This cost-saving strategy can prove particularly beneficial in curbing bad spending habits. By consciously opting for store brands, you actively avoid falling into the trap of paying inflated prices for mere brand recognition. And the last one is set a waiting period. When faced with the temptation to indulge in luxurious clothing or dine at a costly restaurant, it is crucial to pause and take a moment to reflect before promptly reaching for your credit card to make the purchase. Implementing a waiting period can be an effective strategy to curb impulsive buying habits. By setting a predetermined time limit between when you desire an item or experience and when you can actually make the purchase, you introduce a necessary delay that allows for rational decision making. During this waiting period, you grant yourself the opportunity to assess the true value and importance of the desired item or experience. It enables you to consider whether it aligns with your financial goals, priorities, and overall budget. The length of the waiting period is subjective and can be tailored to your personal preferences and financial circumstances. It may range from a few days to a few weeks, depending on the nature of the desired purchase. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Guys, do you often catch yourself overspending your money? Leave your comments down below. So guys, if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.